Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the 90 fps drop test in the OnePlus 11R device. So this is a quick look at the OnePlus 11R 90 fps drop test while playing the PUBG mobile. So this is a OnePlus 11R with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and recently the PUBG mobile has been updated with the 90 fps. So that's the main reason right now I'm trying to make this video to show you fps drop test in the Pochinki map. So how much the fps will be dropped at this moment, we'll try to see. I'll try to do the multiple drop test videos just to give a clear idea. So it dropped to 83 fps is the lowest value we have seen so far. 83. So right now it's about 88, but so far 83 is the lowest one we have seen in this OnePlus 11R device. So I'll try to do the FPS drop test one more time in the same map. So right now it's maintaining pretty good in the overall FPS. As you can see friends, overall the drop FPS is not dropping much, not bad. And let me do the one more time FPS drop test. So right now as you can see friends, this is the second time I'm trying to do the FPS drop test in this OnePlus 11R device. So is a drop test of 90 fps. So this is a drop test of 90 fps in the OnePlus 11R while playing PUBG mobile. So as you can see, this is a OnePlus 11R, and right now you can see the FPS is maintaining about 87, 86 fps, 85. Overall 85 is the lowest FPS we have seen in this OnePlus 11R while doing this drop test. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick 90 fps drop test in this OnePlus 11R device, and in case if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and try to check the links in description for more videos as well on this OnePlus 11R. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.